Keep it simple. Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade barbecue sauce. It's super easy, and it tastes so much better than store-bought sauces. Let's get started. Ingredients. To make this barbecue sauce, you'll need 1 cup ketchup, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional, salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions. In a medium saucepan, combine all the ingredients. Stir the mixture until everything is well mixed. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to low and let the sauce simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove the sauce from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Once cooled, use the barbecue sauce immediately, or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. And that's it. Making your own barbecue sauce is that easy. It's perfect for grilled meats, burgers, and even as a dipping sauce for fries. So next time you're having a barbecue, skip the store-bought stuff and make your own delicious barbecue sauce. Thanks for watching.